Hello everyone, I am Ganga Sangvikar. Welcome you all from Jnana Ganga Academy, Amravati. This is our UPSC Foundation program in that we are making a series of videos in that you will know each and everything about civil services. That is how to study, what not to study, planning and each and everything. Okay. So second thing is कि ये जो सीरीज होने वाली है दिस विल बी मिक्सचर ऑफ टू लैंग्वेजेस हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश व्हाई बिकॉज यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज के जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होते हैं वो सिर्फ दो ही लैंग्वेज में होते हैं इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी बिकॉज इट इज अ सेंट्रल लेवल एग्जाम एंड so you have to understand question in this two language only. And the second thing is this foundation course is for those who are preparing for 2021-22 and onwards. This is not for who appeared for 2020. Definitely they can go through that, but the strategy जो बनाई गई है वो 21 and onwards के लिए बनाई गई है. This is all about introductory part. Then what is UPSC? UPSC is the Union Public Service Commission जो क्या करती है, जो कैडेट रिक्रूट करती है फॉर होम गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के लिए, GOI के लिए. हाउ? थ्रू वेरियस एग्जामिनेशन. सो these are the examination through which UPSC going to recruit various candidate for government of India. इसमें है services, then engineering services, IAS, then NDA, then assistant commandant and lots of. So here we are preparing for civil services examination. So in civil services there are various posts or services. These are all India services, IAS, IFS and IS. Then these are group A services and these are group B services. All these services come under civil services examination. So what you have to do is you have to first select for which exam you have to prepare. इसमें से कौन से एग्जाम के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर करना है ये आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. Then if you notice here that this is like a tree diagram. Okay, on the top of that UPSC. In UPSC there are various examination. One of that is civil services, and in civil services there are number of services, okay, or post. So moving forward to eligibility criteria for UPSC civil services. So you have to complete your degree in any field, that is BA, BCom, BSc, medical, engineering, any field. Okay, then no percentage criteria. You just have to pass your degree. आपको 35% है या फिर 90% है, doesn't matter at all. Okay, then minimum age criteria is 21 years. Okay, and जो maximum age है वो ओपन के लिए 32, ओबीसी के लिए 35, एससी और एसटी के लिए 37, और जो नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट है वो लिमिटेड है. ओपन के लिए 6 अटेम्प्ट at the age up to the age of 32, then OBC के लिए 9 attempt up to the age of 35, और SC और ST के लिए unlimited attempt है up to the age of 37. So this is all about basic understanding about civil services and UPSC. Hope you like this, and if you want to join our series then you have to subscribe our channel. This is totally free of cost, and if you think this is important or then you can share with your friend who really need it. And if you like this then please click on the like button. Thank you.